morning, Dr. Humta.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving us your valuable time again today for this extended session. लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि बच्चे क्या एसिम्प्टोमेटिक कैरियर्स हैं इस कोविड के, और अगर हैं तो कौन सी एज ग्रुप के बच्चे सबसे ज्यादा ससेप्टेबल हैं कैरियर बनने के लिए, और इसे कैसे रोका जाए?
Gurpreet, this is a very good question. And the children behave the same way as adults do. The only difference is children are mostly kept in the household. They do not socialize as much as adults have to. And therefore, they have the chance of becoming asymptomatic carriers like the adults have. Therefore, there should always be a degree of suspicion if the child has a chance of getting infected and there is a household infecting agent. And he should be dealt with in the same way. However, in these circumstances, there is no need to test them for COVID positivity or RT-PCR other than for research or epidemiological studies or very, very curious parents. Or in schools, for school purposes, if the school has a rule of getting all suspicious children tested if there is a history of infection in the household. Many parents would conceal that information, but I'm sure most of them would reveal. तो बच्चे डिफरेंट नहीं होते. The other part of your question was which age group?
Yeah.
There are two age groups, particularly. This study was done in America in April 2020 when there was a large breakout and people did not know who will be infected, and therefore large population of children were infected.
Mm-hmm.
But the overall infectivity rate in children were reported at around 13% of all infected patients.
Okay.
But that's not a small population.
Yeah.
And of those 13% children, only say about 2% required some investigations and monitoring, so on and so forth. Occasional children suffered from severe disease, which was called multi-system, multi-organ inflammatory syndrome.
Okay.
Now, as the children will grow beyond 12 years, they will tend to move out of the house, play amongst the peers or siblings in the family and in the neighborhood, community parks, etc. So they form the large chunk of all the infected children. वो करीब करीब होते हैं 1/3 of all infected children, 12 years and above.
Okay.
In America, they count up to 21 as the pediatric age. In India, we take children
That's 18.
somewhere 12, somewhere 13, somewhere 18. But adolescence, they said, who will be responsible for adolescence? Let the pediatrician who has been watching the child for all these 13, 14 years, he is the best person. And in any case, the incidence of sickness is very little in adolescent age group.
Yeah.
So that is how it is there. और उसके बाद 1 से 2 साल के बच्चे, they form about 25% of all infected children.
Okay.
माँ की गोद से निकलते हैं बाहर, किसी के भी साथ चले जाते हैं, किसी की भी गोद में चले जाते हैं.
Yeah.
तो they have more chance of infected. उसके बाद 3 से 5 और उसके बाद के जो बच्चे हैं, वो माँ बाप की बात सुनते हैं, उनको समझ में आता है कि एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा, इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा, कट जाएगा, जल जाएगा. सो दे अबाइड बाय द डायरेक्शंस.
Yeah, they are careful of
दे आर
themselves.
केयरफुल. एंड 5 के बाद फिर प्रॉब्लम आती है. So this is how the epidemiology is. But having said all this, बच्चों में अभी इन्फेक्शन रेट बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन सावधान रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडीज़ भी नहीं है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इंडिया में कोई कोहर्ट स्टडी, प्लान स्टडी नहीं हो पाई है. हो रही होगी तो अभी तक रिजल्ट नहीं आए हैं. वी डू नॉट नो. बट आई वुड जनरली मानना यही चाहिए कि बच्चे वैसे ही बिहेव करेंगे जैसे एडल्ट्स करेंगे.
Yes. Okay, that's the general thing right now.